Welcome back to the Facts Matrix. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most incredible, hard-working, and often overlooked organs in your body, the liver. Imagine a tireless, silent guardian working around the clock to keep you healthy. That's right, even while you are sleeping. That's your liver, and you won't believe the sheer number of jobs it juggles every single second of every single day. First, let's talk size. The liver is the largest internal organ you have, weighing in at about 3 pounds, or around 1.4 kilograms. It's tucked away safely under your right rib cage, just below your diaphragm. And from this hidden command center, it orchestrates hundreds of vital functions. It's like the body's ultimate multitasker, and without it, we simply couldn't survive. One of its most famous roles is being the body's primary filtration system. Think of it as a sophisticated water treatment plant. Every drop of blood leaving your stomach and intestines passes through the liver. Here, it gets to work, meticulously filtering out toxins, byproducts, and harmful substances. Whether it's from that glass of wine you had with dinner, the medication you take for a headache, or even naturally occurring chemicals from the food you eat, the liver neutralizes them before they can cause damage to other parts of your body. It's a constant, never-ending detox process that protects your entire system. But the liver isn't just about cleaning. It's also a production powerhouse. A key substance it creates is bile, a greenish-yellow fluid that is absolutely essential for digestion. Now, the liver produces the bile, but it sends it over to a small organ nearby, the gallbladder, for storage. When you eat a meal, especially one with fats, the gallbladder releases this bile into your small intestine. Why? Because bile acts like a detergent, breaking down large fat globules into smaller droplets. This process, called emulsification, makes it possible for your body to absorb crucial fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, without bile. These vital nutrients would just pass right through you. Ever wonder where you get that burst of energy when you haven't eaten in a while? You can thank your liver for that too. It functions as your body's backup energy reserve. When you eat carbohydrates, your body uses the glucose it needs for immediate energy. Any extra glucose is sent to the liver, which cleverly converts it into a storage form called glycogen. It's like packing away little energy bars for later. Then, when your blood sugar levels start to dip, maybe between meals or during a long run, the liver springs into action. It breaks down that stored glycogen and releases glucose back into your bloodstream, providing a steady supply of fuel to your brain and muscles. It's a brilliant system for maintaining energy balance. On top of managing your sugar levels, the liver is a master of metabolism. It's a central hub for converting the food you eat, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, into the usable energy and building blocks that every single cell in your body needs to function. It doesn't just process nutrients, it transforms them into the specific forms your body requires. It's the ultimate biochemical factory, ensuring every part of you gets the fuel it needs to keep going. Now for one of the liver's most astonishing abilities, regeneration. This organ is incredibly resilient. It's one of the few organs in the human body that can literally regrow itself. If a portion of the liver is damaged or even surgically removed, the remaining healthy tissue can grow back to its original size. In some cases, a liver can regenerate from as little as 25% of its original mass. This remarkable power of self-repair is why living donor liver transplants are possible, where a piece of a healthy liver can be transplanted and grow into a full-size functioning organ in both the donor and the recipient. It's a true medical marvel. The liver's job description just keeps getting longer. It also plays a critical role in your blood. It manufactures a whole range of vital proteins that circulate in your bloodstream. Among the most important are clotting factors. When you get a cut, it's these proteins that rush to the scene to help form a clot and stop the bleeding. Without them, even a minor injury could be life-threatening. Another crucial protein it makes is albumin. Albumin acts like a sponge, helping to keep the right amount of fluid inside your blood vessels and preventing it from leaking into surrounding tissues. It's essential for maintaining proper fluid balance and blood pressure throughout your body, and it's a storage unit. The liver is like a well-organized pantry for essential nutrients. It stores important vitamins like B12, A, D, E, and K, as well as minerals like iron and copper. It holds on to these reserves, releasing them into the body whenever they are needed. For example, the iron stored in your liver is used to make new red blood cells. This storage function ensures that you have a steady supply of these key elements, even if your daily diet falls a little short. Here's another unique feature. The liver has a dual blood supply. Most organs receive blood from a single source, an artery, but the liver gets blood from two different vessels. The hepatic artery delivers oxygen-rich blood from the heart, just like other organs, but it also receives nutrient-rich blood directly from the digestive system through the hepatic portal vein. This special setup means the liver gets first dibs on all the nutrients absorbed from your food, allowing it to process them efficiently while also receiving the oxygen it needs to fuel its many tasks. Considering its role as the body's main processing plant, it's no surprise that the liver is central to how medications work. Almost every drug you take, from over-the-counter painkillers to complex prescription medicines, passes through the liver. It metabolizes these drugs, breaking them down so they can either do their job or be safely excreted from the body. This is why doctors have to be so careful with dosages. The liver's health and efficiency can dramatically affect how a drug impacts your body. Now, with all this incredible work happening, you'd think you'd feel it, right? But here's the scary part. The liver has no pain-sensing nerves of its own. This means that serious problems like inflammation, scarring, or disease can develop quietly, often without any early warning signs or pain. It's a silent worker, but also a silent sufferer. This is why liver health is so important and why regular checkups are crucial, as many liver issues are only discovered through blood tests. When symptoms finally do appear, the damage can often be quite advanced. So, let's recap this incredible organ. It filters toxins, produces digestive bile, manages your energy supply, metabolizes all your food, regenerates itself, creates essential blood proteins, stores vital nutrients, and processes every medication you take. From supporting your immune system to regulating your hormones, did you know that the liver even plays a key role in using vitamin D? That's right. Before your body can benefit from this important nutrient, the liver must convert it into its first usable form. Without this crucial step, vitamin D would not be able to support your bones, immune system, or overall health. It's another reminder of how many hidden jobs the liver handles every day. Another one of the liver's most impressive abilities is the sheer volume of blood it handles every moment of the day. And at any given minute, about 1.4 liters of blood flow through this organ. That's roughly the amount inside a large soda bottle. And as that blood moves through, the liver filters out toxins, breaks down chemicals, and sends cleaner, balanced blood back into the body. His constant circulation is what allows the liver to keep everything in check, from energy levels to hormone balance. Most people never realize it, but the liver even plays a role in controlling your blood pressure. It produces a protein called angiotensinogen, an important signal that tells your blood vessels when to tighten or relax. This system quietly helps prevent dangerous swings in pressure, which matters for anyone who struggles with high or low blood pressure. It's one more way the liver protects you behind the scenes every single day. This next fact will really surprise you. Most people are not aware of this, but the liver plays a role in your body's fight-or-flight response. When you're suddenly scared or stressed, adrenaline signals the liver to release a surge of stored glucose into your bloodstream. This quick burst of energy gives your body the fuel it needs to react fast in dangerous situations, showing just how connected the liver is to your survival. Isn't it amazing that the liver is involved in nearly every major system in your body? It is working non-stop, 24/7 to keep you alive and thriving. Without a functioning liver, life would only be sustainable for a few days. That's how absolutely critical this 3-pound powerhouse truly is. We hope you have a newfound appreciation for your amazing liver. It does so much for us without ever asking for a single thing in return. If you found this journey into the liver fascinating, please show your support by hitting that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Facts Matrix and turn on notifications. Your support is what allows us to bring you a new video each and every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video when the Facts Matrix brings you more facts about people, places, and beyond.